Hi, I'm Lane Hickenbottom with the Omaha Headshot Company, and today I'm going to talk to you about the jawline. So there's this thing that I'm really self-conscious about. I don't have much of a chin. I wish I had like a real nice, strong chin, but hey, nobody's perfect. Other folks, they've got 2 or 3 chins and they wish they only had one. Today, I'm going to show you how to alleviate that, whether you're using Omaha Headshot Company as your headshot photographer or you're just doing it yourself. So first of all, if you're uncomfortable having your headshot taken, you might be withdrawn a little bit. And this is just something that we might not even realize we're doing it. We're just kind of back away. Hey, I don't want to do this. And when I do that, all of a sudden this becomes a little bit bigger. Right down here becomes a little bit bigger and kind of doubles up a little bit. So the opposite of that is true. If we lean in a little bit, tilt our head down, we stretch out the skin under our chin and create a really nice jawline. And I know I, for one, really appreciate that. So if that's helpful for you, give that a try. Just stick out your head like that, forehead down a little bit. Nice jawline. Thanks, folks. We'll see you next time.